Hello everyone, Mark here, and today it is time to start my Tamiya TT01E chassis Team Renner Racing Man TGS truck build. So what we do, I'm going to slowly get everything out of the box and then we're going to start the build. I'll reposition the camera so you can get a nice closer look at what I'm actually doing. I'm not going to start and finish the build in this video. I'm going to just show you some little bits and clips because I don't want you getting bored and I don't want to make my life harder when it actually comes to building it and enjoying it. So what we do, we'll reposition the camera and we will start building this truck. So let's take the box off and get some of the bits out. So we're going to need the manual and we're going to start to get some of these parts out. Okay, I'm not going to be working on the body shell today, so let's put that aside. Basically, we just want to get all the instructions out. Okay, awesome. Okay, that's all I need. So let's put this to one side as well. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to set everything up, reposition the camera, and then start the build. Okay then, so I've repositioned the camera and we're ready to start the build. What I'm going to actually do to make my life easier and to make it a bit more interesting for you, I'm going to do 2 pages at a time, do the build, get all the parts out that I need for those 2 pages, film it, then obviously stop the camera, get all of the next section ready and do it like that. Do it in sections and then you guys can see what I'm doing rather than having to watch me search for parts and stuff like that. One great thing I love about Tamiya kits is the instruction manuals are pretty easy to follow. It tells you everything you need to know and clearly shows you what parts you need to use, and all of the parts are marked up as well. If for instance like parts are not marked up, like the propeller joints and stuff like that, you can just match it up with the picture on the diagram and they're true to life scale as well. It just makes building things a hell of a lot easier doing it like this. So yeah, props to Tamiya, they've always been really good when it comes to their kits and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the manual because you don't really want that in shot. I'll probably put a couple of pictures though in like the corners and stuff like that so you can see what parts I'm doing at the same time, but I thought it'd be better doing it like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start putting this thing together. I'm not going to be talking through the video because I'm going to put some music on because I want to enjoy this build as well. So I'm going to put some music on and you're going to just watch the video. I might even speed it up in some sections, slow it down in others and stuff like that. So let's crack on and get this done. I'm very excited. Okay, so I'm going to carry on and build the rear of the chassis. I'm going to fit the diff gear, the diff case, the suspension arms, the mount and everything like that. Basically, once I've built the rear half of the chassis, I'm going to end the video and do the front half of the chassis on a separate video. It'll keep the video in nice short sections. Okay, so let's crack on and finish this up. Okay then, so that's the rear part of the chassis done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to end the video there and basically do the rest of the build, the front half of the chassis, in a separate video. That's going to keep the videos reasonably short, so you don't have to sit there and watch a very long video. So as you saw, hopefully the camera angles come across all right. It's quite a simple, straightforward build. Obviously doing things on camera makes things a little bit more awkward, but hopefully you got to see each section as I did it anyway. So that's it for this one, guys. Like I say, I'll do the rest in another video and it will all be in one playlist, so don't forget to go check that out. I will leave link in the description below, as well as a card in the top right hand corner. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you're enjoying the build as much as I am. Thank you so much for watching. Happy RCing. Take care. Bye bye.